You can recharge certain flat aerosol spray cans without an air compressor using a few safe, low-tech options. Start by confirming the can is the refillable type and read any markings or instructions on the bottom and side. Use a bicycle pump with a compatible adapter that fits the valve stem on the aerosol can. Seat the adapter snugly, inflate slowly while holding the can upright, and stop when you feel pressure equalization so you do not overpressurize the vessel. A carbon dioxide tire inflator can work for a fast top-up, but use extreme caution because carbon dioxide is stored at very high pressure and will chill the can quickly, which can change propellant behavior. Add gas in short pulses and warm the can between pulses with your hands to avoid brittle metal or sudden pressure spikes. Commercial aerosol recharge kits exist that include matched fittings, pressure gauges, and instructions designed specifically for certain paint or solvent cans. Follow the kit directions, wear eye protection and gloves, and work outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. If the can uses a dip tube for product delivery and that tube is clogged, clear it by depressing the valve with a straw and solvent safe for the product before attempting recharge, so you do not trap liquid under pressure. Always keep the can away from heat sources and open flames during and after the procedure, and test the spray at low pressure first to confirm proper function. Common mistakes include using incompatible adapters that damage the valve stem, which can be avoided by checking thread type and fitting snugly without forcing the part. Another frequent error is overfilling, which leads to burst risk. Prevent this by adding gas slowly in short bursts and feeling the can for firm but not rock-hard pressure, or use a kit with a pressure gauge to stop at the manufacturer recommended range. A third concern is contaminating the product with the wrong gas, which can change spray behavior or react with the contents. Only use propellants known to be compatible with the specific aerosol formulation, and if unsure, avoid charging and consult product documentation or the manufacturer. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and offering a place where neighbors discuss real experiences and tips about repairs and recharges. We also help contractors connect with potential clients and join our discussion community to share techniques, ask questions, and learn from other tradespeople and homeowners.